Ooh. Yeah, I feel tension.
And that's it.
Yeah.
That's all there is to it.
Okay.
That wasn't too bad,
no,
right?
That was good, but I definitely feel like I need that work more
That
often.
just opened up.
Because I'm always like this all the time, working.
Breath in. All the way out.
Oh, yeah.
That was
Yes.
really
I
solid.
need it today, yeah. Oh, yeah. That was my best one ever. Not too shabby. Yeah, those are some deep ones.
Those are good.
It was good.
Good.
I'm happy with that. Okay, I did feel that.
And you heard it, right?
I did, slightly, yes. Oh, okay.
That was a big clunk.
That was. We have to work for it, but that was a big one. That's right.
Elbow back. Too easy.
That's so easy.